The Snowbowl by Oric is an invaluable tool for commercial snow removers, facility maintenance teams, and property owners seeking an alternative to the traditional snow thrower. Throwing snow is always a great solution when there aren't glass windows, people walking around, or vehicles nearby. For many municipalities and business complexes, with their storefronts and pathways, there exists the potential of thrown chunks of ice, rocks, and other debris that a snowblower can shoot out. In some jurisdictions, there's a code to prevent the use of snowblowers in certain public spaces. Therefore, the option is either a manual team of snow shovelers expending time, energy, and patience, or a walk-behind snowplow like our Snowbowl. Additionally, the Snowbowl, being a plow, makes it ideal for clearing snow of all types, particularly that wet, heavy snow that makes many snowblowers struggle. The Snowbowl is powered by a 4.8 horsepower Honda Commercial GX 160 engine. Combined with the Snowbowl's 4 3/4 inch dual rubber tracks, this compact snowplow can push incredible amounts of snow through icy conditions. The Snowbowl is equipped with a 31.5 inch wide plow blade, making it wide enough for clearing sidewalks, yet compact enough for easy transportation and storage. The plow blade has a height of 13 inches, enabling the Snowbowl to push up to a foot of snow, which of course still depends on snow weight and whether the plow has been angled to allow the snow to drift off to the side. On the right handlebar, you'll find two levers for adjusting and locking the plow blade height. The large lever controls the height by squeezing it. The smaller lever locks the blade into position. For skimming gravel surfaces, lock the blade slightly above the ground level, or if desired, simply keep the blade unlocked for uneven terrain, which will allow the blade to float freely. Speaking of angling the plow blade, the Snowbowl is equipped with a plow angle adjustment lever. Squeeze the lever and the angle can be moved from its 0-degree position to a 15-degree plow angle or a 30-degree plow angle on either side of the Snowbowl, allowing snow to drift off to either side. The Snowbowl comes stock with these two toolless quick-release side panels, which allows you to control where you want to deposit the snow depending on your snow removal situation. Either one sidewall or both sidewalls of the plow may be removed to deflect the snow from your path. We also have an optional urethane scraper blade that can be attached to the plow to protect your sensitive surfaces, such as coated brick pavers and wooden boardwalks. The Snowbowl's transmission is equipped with 2 forward speeds and 1 reverse speed. In most cases, you will mostly use second gear. However, you may find the first gear to be more effective in certain snow conditions. A note of caution here, do not change gears on the Snowbowl unless the engine is running. Otherwise, it may cause damage to the transmission. To get the Snowbowl to move forward or to move in reverse, simply press the lever on the left handlebar. To stop the Snowbowl, release the lever. To adjust the handlebars, there's an adjustment lever located on the right side of the handlebars. Turn this lever a few times to loosen the clamp, and then it'll move to your desired position, and then you can retighten the clamp once you get it to that position. We've also designed the handlebars to fold all the way forward to optimize storage or for easier transport to your various locations. The on-off switch for the Snowbowl is located on the handlebars for your convenience. Instead of using the switch mounted directly on the engine, this allows you to shut off the engine immediately should it be necessary. To start the engine, simply turn the red knob to run for starting the Snowbowl's engine, or depress the knob to turn off the Snowbowl. Next, make sure the black safety fuel shutoff valve is in the open position. Close the gray choke lever pull the recoil starter Open the choke lever smoothly and then adjust the engine's throttle lever located on the right handlebar. When starting a cold engine, we recommend moving the throttle lever to the midpoint before starting sequence. Before operating and for your safety, you will need to engage the belt tensioner that is labeled as main clutch from the start position to the work position. The Snow Bull by Oric packs a great deal of snow pushing punch for its convenient, compact size. Now let's go plow some snow!